This right here is a special volume imbalance. Look at that. Can it be more precise than those 3 to the tick rejections from it? Time and price, backed up with data, weekly DR rejections and a volume imbalance formed. What do we do? Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In this video, I will show you an example of a full re-engineered trading day for the British pound futures, using basic DR rules and of course 20 years of data to get the highest probability for every session. Let's start with the IDR session. The session forms and here we get our confirmation candle at 8:30 for long. We jump over to DR Lens to filter the data for a long confirmation. Pound futures, ADR session, we select the day, DR true for longs, and we select the confirmation time. We enter our retracement time mode into the drive script. Then we check the highest probability for retracement and target areas, and enter them as well. Finally, we check the median retracement and extension time from the last 20 years and enter them too. So here we have our data on the chart. With this candle close, the retracement time is over and we can enter the trade with a stop loss below the retracement low and target 1.5 to 1.7 standard deviation. Once the target has been reached, we close our position with 8R+. Let's jump over to the ODR session. We have our confirmation candle at 4 AM for shorts. Let's check the data for that. The data shows the highest probability for retracements to happen between 4:30 and 4:45. Let's see where our retracement and target area could be based on the data. We have 1.9 to 2.1 standard deviation for targets and 0.1 to -0.3 for the retracements. Last but not least, we enter the median time of retracement and extension. And here we have our data again. This right here is a special volume imbalance, which we should highlight and keep an eye on. Now the retracement time mode is over, which gives us more insights. We are below the opening price and the special volume imbalance. That's a high probability for short, so we enter the position with stops above the opening price. Price reaches 2.0 to 2.1 standard deviation area and we close the position for 5.4R+. If we take a look at the data again, time was aligning perfectly for the extension. Can't get better than that, right? Right now, price is at the weekly DR box, which is in a very important area for price. Price goes down, but rejects the weekly DR to the tick. Look at that. Can it be more precise than those 3 to the tick rejections from it? Now that the extension target has been hit and the time is over, we have a volume imbalance forming. Time and price, backed up with data, weekly DR rejections and a volume imbalance formed. What do? We risk 1R to get potentially 15.2R. Sounds amazing in my opinion. Price shoots up, the special imbalance doing its work again, and we reach our target right before the RDR session begins. We close the position for 15.2R. The last session for the day is the RDR. We get a long confirmation at 10:40. Let's check the data for that one. 10:45 until 11 o'clock is the retracement mode. Now we have a look where the highest probability for retracement before the high or the low of the session is, and put that into the script as well. Target, we go for 1.2 until 1.3 standard deviation, and lastly, we enter our median retracement and extension times. Retracement time is over. We check if current price with stop loss below the retracement gives us at least 3R. If it doesn't give us 3R, like in this case, we don't enter or close the position at break even. Let's get more insights from the data. The second highest retracement mode would be 11 till 11:15. We give it another try and we enter the new data into the script. Once the retracement time is over, we can enter with a stop 2 ticks below the IDR low for a potential 6.67R. Once price is above 2R in profit, we move stops to break even. And we get stopped out break even. One more look at the data and we can see that almost all retracements happened already, so we can give it a last try, targeting the opposite side of the DR. And that's it, plus 4R. A total of 32.6R in one single day, following basic DR rules and reading the data correctly. I hope you enjoyed the video and had some insights of how to trade the professional way. See you next time.